President of Northeast India Development Party (NEIDP) Manipur State, Dr. NG Bijoy Singh today said that delimitation exercise based on 2001 census may threaten the unity and integrity of India and urged for its deferment. Development Alternative Manipur ADAM and Management Committee Anganching Eco Park, Kakching today observed World Bamboo Day 2020. China began combat drills near the Taiwan Strait on Friday, the same day a senior US official began high-level meetings in Taipei as Beijing denounced tightening ties between Chinese-claimed Taiwan and the United States. As per a media report, Beijing has watched with growing alarm the ever-closer relationship between Taipei and Washington and has stepped up military exercises near the island, including 2 days of mass air and sea drills last week. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today inaugurated 6 projects under Home, Police and Planning Department at the Chief Minister's Secretariat in Imphal. Chief Minister Biren also launched 46 projects to be taken up under Home, Transport, Information Technology, Planning, Minority Affairs, Tourism, Mahut and Election Department during the event organized by Manipur Police Housing Corporation Limited. A new set of rules on COVID testing has been issued today after a meeting was held between Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare and Deputy Commissioners of Imphal East and West, Director and officials of Directorate of Health Services, including CMO, DSO, Imphal East, West and State COVID-19 Management Team at the Secretariat Conference Hall in Imphal. Several thousand people in northwest China have tested positive for brucellosis, a bacterial disease the Chinese authorities confirmed yesterday in an outbreak caused by a leak at a biopharmaceutical company last year. As per the Health Commission of Lanzhou, the capital city of Gansu Province, 3,245 people have tested positive for the disease, which is reportedly caused by contact with livestock carrying the bacteria Brucella. India's tally of COVID-19 cases surged past 52 lakh today, with the country reporting a daily increase of over 96,000 cases. The overall recovery also crossed the 41 lakh mark with more than 87,000 discharged cases in a day. As per a media report, 1,174 people have died in India due to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The cumulative COVID-19 tally now reached 52,14,678 with 10,17,754 active cases, while 41,12,552 have recovered or discharged or migrated of the disease, and another 84,372 have died due to COVID-19 so far in the country.